Hi there, I'm Dr. Diallo, an academic coach and test prep expert with Study.com. If you are currently preparing to take the FTCE Marketing 6 through 12 with testing code 057 assessment, you have come to the right place. This assessment covers the subtopic of knowledge of leadership and management. By the end of this video, you'll know how to approach these different types of questions and hopefully be able to avoid any of those common errors that you might make on the exam. Let's get ready to take a look at problem number 1. A marketing manager notices that team morale is low due to recent high-pressure projects and tight deadlines. What is the most effective leadership action to take to address this issue? A. Increase the workload to keep the team engaged. B. Host a team-building activity and provide positive reinforcement. C. Implement stricter deadlines to improve productivity. Or D. Reduce the team's responsibility to alleviate stress. Keywords within this question tell us to focus on the idea that team morale is low due to all of the high-pressure projects and tight deadlines that people have been under at this company. They want to know, as a leader, what would be the most effective leadership action to take to address the situation. Hosting a team-building activity and providing positive reinforcement are effective actions to improve team morale. These activities help boost team spirit, foster better relationships among team members, and recognize their hard work, which can enhance motivation and job satisfaction. Increasing workloads, implementing stricter deadlines, and reducing a team's responsibility can have a detrimental negative impact on morale. Therefore, the only possible answer will be B, host a team-building activity and provide positive reinforcement. A department is consistently missing its sales targets due to lack of coordination and communication among team members. What leadership strategy should the manager implement to improve performance? A. Increase individual performance evaluations to identify issues. B. Reduce the number of team members to simplify management. C. Organize regular team meetings to improve communication and align goals. Or D. Shift the focus to individual tasks and minimize team collaboration. Keywords within this question are missing its sales targets due to the fact that the team members are not coordinating and communicating amongst themselves. So what leadership strategy should we implement? Well, organizing regular team meetings helps improve communication and ensure that all team members are aligned with the department's goals. Effective communication and coordination are crucial for addressing performance issues and ensuring that everyone is working towards common objectives. Increasing evaluations, reducing team members, and shifting focus to individual tasks is not effective when trying to encourage coordination and communication between team members. Therefore, C is the only logical answer. Organize regular team meetings to improve communication and align goals. A company is experiencing high employee turnover, and the leadership team wants to address this issue. Which approach should the management team prioritize to improve employee retention? A. Implement a more rigorous hiring process to select better candidates. B. Focus solely on individual performance metrics without addressing broader concerns. C. Increase the number of work hours to enhance productivity. D. Offer competitive salaries and benefits and improve workplace culture. So once again, we want to go back to the question and be sure we identify the important concepts within the question. We notice that the issue is that we have high employee turnover that we are wanting to address to fix the issue. But we've got to decide how to prioritize and improve employee relations to make this better for retention purposes. Offering competitive salaries and benefits, along with improving workplace culture, is a key strategy to enhance employee retention. These factors address employees' needs and satisfaction, which can lead to increased loyalty and reduced turnover. Implementing a more rigorous hiring process is not helpful and can be intimidating, creating less applicants, so this isn't necessarily the best answer. Focusing solely on individual performance is important, but it can't be the priority when the company is having a high employee turnover rate. An increase in the number of hours worked could possibly have a negative impact and cause even more employee turnover. Therefore, D, offer competitive salaries and benefits and improve workplace culture is the best answer. A project team is struggling to meet deadlines due to unclear roles and responsibilities. As a leader, what is the most effective action to clarify team expectations and improve project outcomes? A. Reassign tasks randomly to different team members. B. Develop and communicate a clear project plan with defined roles and responsibilities. C. Extend the project deadline to give the team more time. Or D. Focus on increasing team members' individual skills through training. Keywords within this question, we want to make sure we understand that the team is struggling to meet the deadlines. And this is basically because the responsibilities and roles of each team member has not been spelled out correctly for everyone to know what they are responsible for doing. So what can we do as a leader to clarify the team expectations and improve the outcome of the projects? Developing and communicating a clear project plan with defined roles and responsibilities helps clarify expectations, and it ensures that each team member knows their specific duties. This approach enhances coordination and accountability, leading to better project outcomes and timely completion. Reassigning tasks randomly adds chaos and lacks clarity, so this is the correct answer. Sometimes extending project deadlines isn't possible and isn't an effective action. Focusing on increasing team members' skills trainings. Well, while this seems like a good idea, it can be beneficial. However, the most effective action is going to be B, develop and communicate a clear project plan with defined roles and responsibilities. Well, my hope is that you found that video to be informative and helpful. If so, be sure and check out more videos on this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe just so you don't miss out on any more of our informative videos and testing content. You can also get a lot of help from our website at study.com. As a member, you can access short, targeted video lessons, extra study materials, personalized study plans, and hundreds of practice problems. Those who have used study.com in the past to prepare have over a 92% passing rate. Please also remember, let us know what you think. Share your feedback with us too so we'll know about your experience. We're here and wishing you all the very best of luck on your test. Good luck.